For months now, we've been hearing conflicting reports on how tariffs will affect the prices of new vehicles. But what about used vehicles? Every year, almost twice as many people shop for used vehicles. So who's looking after these customers? Here's a hint. The same family that provides warranty protection for life and oil changes for life with all qualifying used vehicles. That's right. The Sunset Auto family's been protecting your investment and interest rates for years. And once again, in cooperation with Sound Credit Union, Sunset announces what might be the single best used vehicle financing package anywhere. Right now, with credit approval, you can finance any qualifying used vehicle 2015 and newer for an unheard of rate of 4.99% for up to 72 months. That's right, used vehicle financing for 4.99% for vehicles 10 years old and newer. That's crazy. So forget the tariffs. They won't come into play here, and lock in a 4.99% interest rate on a vehicle with warranty protection for life. Go to sunsetused.com or soundcu.com for more details. You just get more at Sunset, like the best financing anywhere, and people do like that.